Everyone wants to become wealthy, but to achieve that, there is something important we require. That something is personal financial knowledge, which most of us lack. Lack of personal financial knowledge is the root cause of savings and investing problems faced by many of us. There is a man, Mr. A, someone like us. He is working as a clerk. He always desires to become wealthy. He works really hard to pursue this, but his small earning becomes obstacle. So he has decided to find ways to become wealthy. While doing that, he came across George Clason's book, Richest Man in the Babylon. After reading it, he gets inspired by the lessons given in it and starts to follow them to increase his wealth. Clason has given many lessons about how to become wealthy. First lesson is 7 cures for a lean pocket. Let's understand how exactly they work. The first one is pay yourself first. Normally, we people pay our expenses first, then put the remaining in our savings. But this habit will not help us to increase our wealth as it creates irregularities in savings. Let's see how this cure benefits Mr. A. He earns 30,000 monthly. After paying all the expenses, what remains is hardly 2,500 to 1,000 for savings. But now, by keeping 1/10 part of his income aside as savings first and then managing his expenses in the remaining amount, he is saving a constant amount, that is 3,000. In this way, by paying ourselves first, we make ourselves disciplined in savings. The second one is budget our expenses. As we keep 1/10 part of our income as savings, now the question arises here is how to manage everything in the remaining 9/10 part of our earnings. Most of the time it's very hard to manage everything in our earnings. Why don't we see how Mr. A solves this problem? Mr. A manages his expenses through budgeting his money by concentrating on necessary expenses and avoids unnecessary spendings. By doing this, we can manage everything in a fixed amount. This will also reduce our habit of casual spending. The third one is make your money your employee. Our wealth is not how much we save, but how our saving increases. Hence it is important to generate income from savings. But how? Don't fear, Mr. A is here. Mr. A multiplied his saving through investments. He invests in various instruments like stocks, mutual funds, real estate. Through such investment, he is gaining returns without any effort. In this way, our money can become our employee and start earning for us no matter if we are working or not. The fourth one is invest your money wisely. We have seen the importance of investment. Along with this, we must keep something in our mind. Generally, when we have lots of money to invest, we get tempted by the many investment opportunities and invest in them without any thoughts. As a result, we face losses. To avoid this, let's see what Mr. A does. An important principle of investment is security, and Mr. A always follows it. For safe investment, he does prior analysis of everything and also take consultation of experts in investment. By doing this, he protects his money from unsafe investments. The fifth one is having our own home. For us, home is an emotional concept and a financial concept. Home ownership provides security, but most of us get confused about buying or renting a home. Which one is beneficial? Buying a home is considered as beneficial for long-term investment. On the other hand, in renting we didn't get any gains, which just fill the pockets of the landlord. But if you are doing frequent migration due to your job or any other reason, renting will be the best option. By following this cure, Mr. A has bought his home, which will reduce his cost of living up to some extent and provide a profitable asset in his balance sheet. The sixth one is protect your future. Along with learning how to become wealthy, it's important to give some thoughts to protect your future. Let's see how Mr. A protects his future. Mr. A is also a family man like us. He always thinks about how to protect his family and his old age. Therefore, he has started to invest his money in long-term investments like land, life insurance, which will provide benefits to his family after retirement. The seventh one is increasing ability to learn. We can become wealthy only by exceeding our limits. But how? Let's see how Mr. A is achieving that. As we know, Mr. A is working as a clerk and desires to move forward by getting a promotion. Therefore, he is gaining more knowledge to become wise. Along with this, he is also getting more skillful in his work, which builds his self-confidence within him. In this way, his simple and definite desire guides him to become wealthy. How to attract financial luck? Finance and getting lucky. Is it really possible? Absolutely. First, we need to understand that we cannot become wealthy like by chance. By just knocking on the door, we cannot unlock luck. We must find a key of opportunities to unlock our luck. Grabbing the opportunities wisely is essential to attract luck, and we become wiser only with knowledge and experience. So gain knowledge, become wise opportunist, and attract your luck. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't watched a previous video, then please do watch. We also recommend you to watch our next video. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you again next time to make you a wise pursuer of your dreams.